A paragraph about Zen-Z, presented by Academic English. Gen Z refers to the generation born between 1997 and 2012. This generation is unique because they have grown up with technology all around them. Unlike previous generations, they have never experienced a time without smartphones, the internet, and social media. This has made them very comfortable with using digital devices and online platforms. They are also known for being more socially aware and vocal about the issues that matter to them, such as climate change, social justice, and equality. In Bangladesh, Gen Z is making a big impact. With more young people getting access to the internet and smartphones, they are now able to learn, communicate, and share their ideas more easily. Many young Bangladeshis are using social media to discuss important issues like education, the environment, and politics. They are also taking part in online movements, like those aimed at protecting the environment or raising awareness about mental health. Furthermore, Gen Z in Bangladesh is also very entrepreneurial. Many young people are starting their own businesses, especially in technology and e-commerce. The rise of online shopping platforms and digital services has given them the chance to turn their ideas into real businesses. Gen Z in Bangladesh is not only shaping the way people communicate, but also how they work and live. With their strong connection to the digital world and their passion for change, this generation is set to play a major role in the country's future development.
If you want any kinds of other paragraphs or written parts, let us know by submitting a comment in the comment section. Stay connected with Academic English.